So sometimes you find yourself in this weird position of realizing that a legal win doesn't really feel like a legal win at all. If you go into a legal situation with this fixed idea that there's a specific outcome that you're looking to have happen, anything else other than that specific outcome is going to feel unexpected. An unexpected outcome is not usually a win in the minds of some people who are going through their case. And unfortunately, even though the law dictates that the outcome you have is within the parameters as covered by the law, if that's not what you were looking to have happen, even if you've had that explained to you, that unexpected outcome is going to feel like a loss, even if in the situation that you have, the law says you won, but it's not the outcome you were expecting. And it gets even worse if you find yourself in a situation where you have to compromise or settle on a case. But the reality is that if you're in a situation where you came with this thought process that there was a certain outcome you were looking to receive, and all of a sudden you now are finding that you have to compromise that situation, it's not going to feel like you won your case if you have left some things on the table that were really important to you. That's why talking to an attorney or your attorney about what it is you're going to lose and what it is you're going to gain becomes important. But even when you understand what you're going to win and what you're going to lose, it still may not feel like a win, even though you may have gotten something, because in your mind you had this desire that you wanted to get everything and not just something. And it gets more complicated if the law dictates limits to what you actually can get. So even if you've been explained this, that there's only a certain amount of results that you can get out of a particular situation, you may find that you didn't actually win anything if the law literally says this is all you can get, even though you are legally entitled to something, but the most you can get is this. Taking the time to explain people the circumstances and getting them to understand that there's only particular outcomes that you may receive is difficult, because we've been conditioned as a society to believe that the legal process is a process that's designed to give us the opportunity to resolve conflicts or resolve issues within a particular process. The problem that you often run across is that if you're in a situation where you have an expectation that a certain outcome or certain type of end result is going to happen, that it doesn't happen, you may feel that even though you have this process available to you, it doesn't really solve your issues if it didn't put you in the position to do what you thought it was going to do.